The first thing you want to do is measure the string in centimeters. And then what you want to do next is place the string 20 centimeters at the 20 centimeter mark. And then pull at a constant speed, so you get a constant reading for your newtons. Notice here that you have a triangle, so now you can use the length that you calculated for the hypotenuse and the height to find the angle, which you're going to be using inverse sine, and you just plug in those values.
First, pull the board with a steady speed. To find the incline angle, measure the length of this board. Now measure the height of this ramp. This slide explains how to calculate the angle of the incline.